A very good evening to one and all. This is me, Isha Dua, the Secretary General for SDVMUN 2019. With this video, I'll take you through the organizing committee for the 5th edition of SDVMUN. Each and every member of the OC has worked really very hard each day.
Hello everyone, I am Sejal Marwaha, the Deputy Secretary General of SDVMUN 2019. It is my privilege to host you all for the 2-day conference. I am just planning the last minute arrangements. I hope everything goes well.
Hello everyone, this is me, Haseem Arora, Chief Advisor for the SDVMUN 2019. I firmly believe that we should stay committed to our decisions, but stay flexible in our approach.
To make this event a successful one. So now, let me give you a glimpse of what will happen behind the curtain.
I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. When the evening falls and I'm left there with my thoughts, and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's eating me up inside. But we ran our course, we pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can swim far away from the wreck we made. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave.
ये थोड़ा तो इधर हो ना, गर्दन मोड़नी पड़ रही, तो इधर इधर हो, थोड़ा सा इधर हो.
No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately I've been thinking, I